Let's make a tasty cheesy tuna pasta bake using Colman's cheddar cheese sauce. Let's make the cheese sauce. Place the milk and cheese sauce mix into a pan and heat, whisking constantly till nice and thick. Next, fry the onions, garlic and red pepper in a pan and let's half cook the pasta. Add in the oregano, chopped sun-dried tomatoes, sliced green olives and 2 tins of tuna. We're nearly done. Add the cheese sauce and the pasta to the tuna mix well and spoon into your dishes. Top with fresh breadcrumbs, grated cheddar cheese and bake till golden brown. Ready in 30 minutes, this cheesy tuna pasta bake is a winner. You must give it a try.